Diba? GM nga lang din maabot ko. Wait kita baka ikaw makapag-chal sa akin. Pag tayong dalawa nag-chal sa CN server, bibigyan kita ng skin. May delay kasi.
Own lab-written compound called Syntixi. They're just as powerful, extremely unstable, can explode without much warning. In the wrong hands, they could wipe.
Alam ko na. Banti mo, please. Soraka?
Soraka ban. Siyempre, ban natin si Master Yi. Ozymandias. I think I played with this guy already. A literal Elden Beast. What? What the shit? Okay. Naka-advance server. Did he attain his glory?
That happens in the future.
Factory wood.
Hope no one got hurt out here from the.
I think I should reset na din. Objectives are spawning in a bit. He's back! Yeah, delete the backline first. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. Ah! I just want to play a normal game. I can't even play rank kasi nakaban ako ng isang oras sa C. Nag-push na lang. Well, kaya pa naman namin ipanalo to. Wala lugi. May ano, nag-snowball yung wala, nag-snowball yung Master Yi. Tsaka yung set.
Oh shit, she's back home. He's back home. What?
We're good. Wala na silang Vex. If I blind Warwick at the right moment. Okay. Wala nga pala. And by a few seconds. Exactly 4 seconds. Ayan, rewinding uses rewind charges. The amount of is limited by the rewind gauge. Hold R and release. You're going low. Yeah, I'm gonna help bot lane. Nice, so good job, guys. Kulang. Kulang ako ng kinulang ako ng isa. Maglalawang dito sa CN ah. Ang sakit sa bangsa.
Ally slain.
And so this game is available on Steam and on the Epic Games if you're interested in playing it. Okay. Oh, I don't want to go Crown para makita niyo yung model ng champion, so I'll just go Soul Stealer.
It is under attack.
There is no dispute.
Ay! Tumawasan pa yun.
Wala pa up salamat pala sa pag-follow. Sige, tingin lang tayo sa kanila. Oh, Warwick is lurking.
Yes, there is. It's just not.
Yan. Pero I'd go for this one first. Yeah, I'd go for that one.
Ay, wait lang guys ha. Ano sa akin? Pike.
Pike.
Ay, gusto ko mag-pike mid eh.
Pike.
Papi na lang.
P.
Oo na
Sige.
yung ADC.
Sige, pike na lang.
Oh, since it's Netflix, so it's not really allowed. Anyway, okay. So no spoilers, please. No spoilers. I will be reading all your comments. I will be reading all your chat.
AP Maokay.
Oo, tama.
Kasi kailangan natin mahawakan tong ringer eh. Papi.
Sige. Marlon CC.
AP Maokay no?
Sige, malagman yan.
Cool skins about the animated splash arts for the game. So it's good. Diba? It's good. Plus, we wouldn't have Glam Slam rounds. O Glam Slam, ay, Wild Round Smash.
Ang gulo ng mga viewers ko eh.
Void.
Dairy ako.
Yeah, pwede yan. Very.
Nice. Ano meta jungle at Baron lane? Meta jungle? Well, first champion in mind. Okay, I guess. Yes.
Right?
Biol,
Yes.
ito ah.
Yeah.
I would like to ask. Wait, guys. I would like to ask.
Yes,
If
yes.
we managed to beat this team, are we
Yes.
going? Is this the real deal that we are going to?
Hello pala sa mga nanonood. Welcome to the stream, everybody. What? So far, our team is doing good. Nice. So Evelyn is down. Ano ba? Advanced defaults. Oh shit. Wait lang, i-edit ko to next game. Edit lang natin. Yan, D-Fi, hello. Tofi, hello. I can't go jungle Jace though. I can't. So I don't even have Jace. So maybe I'll just go jungle. Ano na to eh? Ano ba yung Garen? Naka-Sunfire yung Garen. Yung Garen lang yung matigas sa amin, no? Hindi pa nga yan matigas eh. Sorry. Protect lang tayo, protect. Ginagawa nyo. Tinitipihan nyo pa kami. Diyos ko naman. Why, bro? Why? Dito. Testing natin ulit. Masaya gamitin si Victor. Actually. Masaya niya gamitin.
Yung lakas mo pag Yumi, lalo na yung combo yung dalawa neto ni Piachu, anong masasabi mo doon sa paggamit mo ng Rengar sa game number 1, lalo na sa pag-pop off mo ng game number 2?
4-0 na. Yeah, we need to help. Ano na lang, Fizz push. Dito na lang natin siya ilagay. I'm pushing mid lane. Arcane. Para ano, it fits his narrative na all he wants is for things to be. There we go. Parang good siya i-support. Depende sa'yo kung kaya mo siyang i-support. Ayan. So that's kalabang champion. There we go. Ayan, 45 seconds. Wala lang tumama eh. Pero best. Bro, that's a stupid change. Up and na pala. That's good. Project K trading cards reveal. Oh nga pala. We're gonna talk about that too. Yeah. Garen mechanics. Diamond nga kahapon binigyan ako ng 3 plat eh. Yun lang. Ang pangit kasi. What? What the shit? Good ult. Just to have that protection, you know. Sayang. Ulit. Let's just beat this boss, then I'll end the stream. Void, hello, Void. Okay. Echo versus Zarkon, round. Hindi ko kasi makikita yung HP nila. Diyos ko. Hindi ka tulad dun sa C-server. Naset ko na kasi yung sa C-server eh. Bakit kunot na naman ang on... Okay, that's 2. Yeah, once we hit platinum, I'm gonna end the stream. na lang. Hindi kaya eh. Ano natin kung may pang-deward sila dito. Holy shit. Buti na lang talaga. But I'm still burning. Aray ko, masakit. We have... Ayan o. So, storm. So, pwede nating pahabol yung storm na yan. Ayan, sayang. Hindi lang... That's our LPL. Diba? That's our LCK. Diba? LPC. Yung tawag doon. LPC. For LOL Asia Pacific. So, pwede ako mag-try mag ano kasi andun yung Graves oh. Pwede ako mag-try mag Elder. Kaso andito na sila eh.
Yun lang. Sorry na, ito luluhod na. Wag. Okay. So,
welcome to the stream, boys. I appreciate you for stopping by. Ayan. Please do support yung event na mangyayari mamaya sa laban nila Fuyu, nila God damn, that is it, bro. Pucha, nag-heal ka pa. Oh my God. Yan, hindi ko kasi pwedeng i-send yung link ng website, pero riotshop.com/redeem. So, in that splash art, he's not human anymore. He's the living embodiment of evolution, the living embodiment. Come on, bro. Destroy the tower.
Enemy slain.
Nice, okay na ako. Tapos, wala din kasing kwenta yung ADC. Ay, nako. Stupid shit. Bigay sigaw. Here we go. Hindi talaga ako sanay dito. So, ultimate is on the queue.
Enemy slain. Enemy killing spree.
Diba? Teamwork talaga sila kung teamwork. This reminds me of C server, bro. LeBlanc. Ayun oh, i-capitalize nyo na oh. Dragon na oh. Dragon, guys. Please. Kasi may team. Viewers ni Giyang, isa sa viewers ni Degrees, isa sa viewers ni Coach Shrek, and isa sa viewers ni Creoles. So yun. If you guys win, you will win 1,850 wild cores each. So good trade. Kaso wala akong gold dun, sayang. Dinelay niya ako sa camps, namatay tuloy siya. If you can carry solo master, yeah, why not? My goodness, nakakatakot yung ano, Warwick. Oo. Let's play it safe for now. Kasi 23 seconds ulti, you don't still have enough damage para maka-execute ng... Oy!
Huwag na. Marami na sila nagamit dyan. Marami na.
May buhay pa pala yung Lulu.
Basta lang. Hindi, meron na. Cooldown na to.
Ferrari?
Wala pa rin F.
Ito. Ah, hindi, marami din. Sino tong nag-objective? Nung Caitlyn? Oh my god, wala pala akong buhay nun. Oh, that's nice. They actually fixed the graphical bug. Or ano. Anyway, pag day off lang din nakakalaro. Yeah. This guy has the slow. Up, dito na ako. I'm on my way.
That happens in the future.
Factory wood.
Hope no one got hurt out here from the
Love. Ah, bro, it's so good to play. It feels so good to play Teemo again.
Wait lang guys ah.
May tumatawag ah.
Ang seryoso na niya. Mas makakapatay tayo ng mas mabilis. So, maybe we can go Rabadon agad. Literal na nag-symbolize siya ng God. Nice. I'm gonna have to go. Sorry. Star Guardian Trail, ayan. The sparkly one. Ayan. And then we have the golden fucking, idiot about teams and guilds and shit. Pero I used to think na si Karma lang talaga yung IIX, na name niya lang yun. Guild! Yasuo, nice. Yeah. Good job, Yasuo. Good job, man. Sayang. Okay, nag-burn naman siya, it's fine. Wala nang flash? No flash. Okay, we're good. Echo here has parents. Echo has parents in this game. Diba? Echo has parents in this game. In Arcane, Drift Connected, ano lang siya, event ni Tier 1 Entertainment. It'll be a lot of fun. Ayan. So, gaming, music, and art. Ayan yung mga OPM artists na kasama. Ayan. Si Charlene. Welcome to the stream, boys. I appreciate you for stopping by. Kamusta? Ayan. Hi.
Turret destroyed.
Uy. Oh my god, may healing. May healing. Okay. There we go.
The hub is okay after the collapse.
The hub. Yun yung ano, yun yung parang work, yung safe, yung parang wait.
Uy, wala ka sinasabi ha. Wala ka sinasabi eh.
Ayan, so punta naman tayo dito kay Karma. Karma, grabe,
Ay, boss.
nakita ko yung
Reklamo yung iba kasi baka maging boring. Di ba? Yun yung gusto ng iba eh, yung toksikan. Inting lang boss problema sa CN. Well, yeah, may inting talaga. Pero ang daming ang ano maganda gamitin kasi yun sa Clash kasi nangahabol ang champion yun eh. Ayan o. may flash kasi ako, ayoko na gamitin eh. I think it was Maddie. I think it was Maddie, bro. I think it was Maddie. Bigyan ko kayong foreshadow interaction ni Renata kay Victor sa PC. Yeah, but it Okay, that's good. Kainis kayo, ayoko. Good. Okay. We drift in. We roll in. We roll in. Oh, mali ng tinamaan. Just come from with these comments, bro? What the fuck is wrong with you? Ayan, Topsy, hello, welcome to the stream. Ayan.
Yung mga ano dyan
Hindi. Dahil naka-tournament ka, mag-iaso ka.
Magkayo yung masarap sa ito.
Alam ko Bethesda, yung may-ari ng Fallout. Pero Prime kasi yun eh. Prime yung nag-produce. Fallout is ibang game company that we've been waiting for so long. Well, I've been waiting for this day. But you know, yeah, it's the day. Okay, they're taking everything back. Animation is top notch, bro. Like, welcome to the stream, boys. Say hi. Okay, here we go. Ito si... Ayan. Ay, bumalik lang tayo pala dito. Inon ko lang yon para... Engineer Alexis, hello. May nag-DC. Hey, thank you for the like, man. I appreciate you. I-spawn yung ano. Imposible namang nakuha niya agad yun. Oh, nakuha. Come on, kid. Dapat pala nag-jungle na lang ako. Yeah, this is why I
Ano?
Oo! Yan ang gagawin natin.
Hindi
Yun ang
kailangan ng THX. Hindi na kailangan ng THX na
Lahat tayo.
Guys, ito lang guys, mabagal pa yung clear yung wave ko ah.
Timo jungle. Last resort ko Timo pero Baron lane eh. Ayun, patapusin muna natin sila. Masyado silang magaling. Sabi yan.